Okay, you can commentate, Crampt.
Well, we're just driving around
Well, we're driving and it was
Otago
clear,
Peninsula, and the snow is coming.
and all of a sudden, this,
Well, it's not. We saw it coming.
yeah, well, it's beat us round.
It's going to be snowing shortly.
As you can see, the cloud's going to come in, or whatever, and engulf us.
Wow.
Yes,
Golf
it's a big word, eh?
and flog.
See, it was clear skies, and then all of a sudden, as we turn this next corner, it's caught up to us. Yeah, and we can't even see.
It's snowing
Just
more.
watch the road. Okay, and I think I'll stop filming because I don't think I can see much more.
There's a little cottage in Portobello for tonight. Could be that voice stop, but film outside later. Bags and no, the stove doesn't work because it's a cold range. Another snow shower coming through. There's a little crab tree cottage. Very quaint. Yeah. He's got his little garden out the front here on lavender, and spuds are doing quite well. They're doing very well for this time of the year, aren't they? Oh, Sky? Oh, I don't think so. Knowing the reception of television down here isn't very good. No, it's not as bad as it was.
A few seconds ago.
Yeah.
It's going to get
It's
worse,
like a
though.
blizzard. It's blizzard
Here it goes.
outside.
Snow. And we're on the coast. Almost. We'll go to the beach and see the snow, shall we?
Blizzard. Out the back door.
No,